Hey everyone, this is Vikas Baghel and welcome back to my YouTube channel VB Codes. I know it has been long since I uploaded my last video, but recently I had to travel to Google Zurich office, so that's why I was a little busy there. So here's a sneak peek into my trip. But before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. So without further ado, let's start the video.
So here's a quick view of all the Google campus in Zurich. यहाँ पे most of the buildings are occupied by Google. Here is a shot of me having breakfast, and this is how the cafeteria looks in Zurich office. And this is the micro kitchen which was closest to my desk. So I regularly used to come here and play table tennis. There are lots of things to eat here, like it has various types of fruits. और यहाँ पे there's a special place here जहाँ पे अगर if you wanna sit outside and work, then you can come here and sit. Right now it's raining, that's why no one is here. Otherwise on a sunny day, like lots of people used to come here. Then the refrigerators are full with different types of snacks and drinks. You can find all kinds of drinks here. Then it has various kinds of dry foods. And this is one of my favorite section. This whole drawer is filled with different kinds of chocolates.
I hope you like this video. If you do, then hit that like and subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family. I will be uploading more videos from my trip to Zurich, and until then, this is Vikas Baghel signing off.